On January 28, 2026, several major developments are shaping the news in United States. Big Tech Earning Day. This stands out as one of the most significant business events today. Several major companies are released their latest quarterly earning reports after market closing on around this data, including Microsoft Q2 2026, Meta Platform Q4 2025, Tesla Q4 2025, IBM Q4 2025. Other notable reports including AT&T, Starbucks, ServiceNow, Lam Research, and more market are watching these closely for update on AI spending, cloud growth, EV demand, advanced advertising trades, and overall economic signals. Lightning winter storm impact a powerful winter storm that hit large part of the country in recent day continue to continue to cause wind spread dispersed. It has led to dozens of the deaths, including incident like children in Texas, massive flight cancelled and delay. Nearly 90% of the flight cancelled at the peak of the Monday, with airlines like United States recovering. Power outrage, dangerous ICE now, conditional and travel chase in affected region, Northeast, Midwest, South, etc. Recovery effort are going with some areas still dinging out. Immigration and the political tension. President Trump's immigration policy remaining high controversy and dominated politic headlines. A new routes IPO Polo so shows hit immigration approved rate at the new low, with a majority of Americans believing had approach goes too far. A recent violent incident involving federal agent ICE in cities like Minneapolis, including fatal shooting of the U.S. citizen during conversation. Protests have speaked outrage, protest, and the backlash. Related debate, including local law emergent enforcement cooperation with ICE and the border enforcement action. Other notable item: ongoing foreign policy trade rippling, including strap threat of the adjustment, mention of the South Korea, Canada, and the border international reaction to the US policy. Some international blow black like FIFA related boycott call trade to USA, domestic pollution, and the ICE presence concern a border Olympic tax. Overall, it's a mix of the major corporation finals news, several weather recover, and the heat political immigration debates drive the national conversation today. Market, airport, and the politics course are main focal point right now. Thank you for watching. I have liked this video. If you like this video, please like and